Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C of Swing Crochet. So guys, I'm going to use a 4.0 mm hook for my work, and I'm going to use this yarn. It's very thin, so I've doubled it. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make a chain, and you're going to start from the skirt. Okay, so you're going to start from your waist. So you're going to chain until it is long enough to cover your waist. Sorry. Okay, so you make your chain, you yarn over and put through your yarn like this. Okay, so you chain till it is long enough. Right, so when you get to your desired length, you just make a single crochet or you make a slip stitch to join the ends together. Okay, so I've made a single crochet like this. Okay, so next I'm making single crochet in each of the stitch holes that I have. Okay, I'm making single crochet till I get to where I started from. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, okay, comment below. Alright, so I'm making a single crochet, and at the end of the first row, this is what you have. Now I'm going to continue with my single crocheting. So the second row also takes single crochets. Our aim here is to increase the band here. Okay, so I'm making single crochet round and round until it is wide enough for me. So after 7 rows of single crochets, this is what I have. Okay, so I think it's okay for me now. Now I'm going to continue with my work. So I'm going to take off this color and use another color to finish up with the single crochets. So this work works very well with single crochets. I'm using a 4.0 mm hook. Okay, you can use any hook of your choice. So after the single crochets, you change your color back to your previous color. Then you use a card of 4.5 inches. So a card of 4.5 inches, you can use 5 inches for it. You can use a card or book or anything. Okay, you pull your yarn through, you make a single crochet, then you pull your loop over the book or the card, and you adjust it. So that's how you do it. You make your normal single crochet, you pull the loop so long, put it around the book and adjust. Okay, so the card here says it's here to adjust the height of each of the loops. Okay, so you pull it through like this, you pull it around the book or the card. So we are going to do this for all the stitch holes that we have. Okay, so we are making this till we get to where we started from. Okay, so at the end, this is what you should be getting. You pull your book from it, and this is what you have. Okay, so you indicate your last loop like this, and we are going to make single crochets to join them. But first of all, let's change our color. You can use the same color, but we just want to add some colors to our work. Okay, so with your last loop like this, you look out for your the very first loop that you made. Okay, so let's look for the very first loop, and there's the very first loop. Okay, so you put your hook in between it like this, then you yarn over and pull through like this. Then you make a chain of 1 to fix it in place. Okay, look for the next loop. Put your hook inside the loop like this. Yarn over and pull through once. Okay, next loop, you will set your hook like this. Yarn over and pull through once. Okay, so you always put your hook in between the you yarn over and put through once. Okay, so what you are doing here is you are joining all the loops together. And I'm going to do it until we get to our starting point. Always make sure you are selecting the very next loop that you have. You don't want to miss any loop. Okay, so when you get to the end of your work, you just make a single crochet or slip stitch to fix it together. So I've made a slip stitch to fix the ends together. So this is our first row, and the first row, it is wide enough to cover up to your waist. Now because your hip is wider, we are going to make single crochets in each of these stitch holes that we have with the same color, but on every 10th stitch hole, we are rather going to make 2 single crochets in that stitch hole. Okay, so you count up to 10, then right into the 10th stitch hole that you make, you rather make 2 single crochets. Okay, so I'm making 2 single crochets in this stitch hole. Then you start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So into the 10th, we've made 1. Then inside the same 10th stitch hole, you make another 1. Okay, so that's what we are going to do, repeating the same thing until we get to where we started from. Okay, we are doing this because our hip is wider than our waist. We are trying to make an increment of the skirt. Okay, so the skirt will be shaped will be a flare shaped skirt. Okay, right, so this is it. Now we are going to continue with our loops. Okay, so you change it to your main color, and because we increased every 10th stitch hole, because we double the stitch holes, because we double the stitches in the 10 stitch holes, our loops are going to be more than the previous loops. Okay, and this one will give our skirt that flare look that we want. Okay, so the same way that we did with the first row, we do the same for the second row, the third, the fourth, and so you get to your desirable heights that you want. Okay, so let's make our loops just like we've done before. You yarn over, you make that single crochet, then you pull the loop long enough to cover your card or your book. Okay, so let's do that till we get to our starting point. They will end up with another single crochets, increasing every 10 stitch hole. Okay, so you're going to continue until it is flare enough or it is long enough for us. Okay, so we've done with the second row like this. Okay, so the second row, the number of loops over there is a bit wider. The next one too is going to be a bit wider like that, so that wearing it wouldn't be very difficult for you. Now let me show you how to do it after getting your desirable length, skirt length that you want. How you're going to decorate the edges to make it a bit nicer. Okay, so at the edges, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first you make your single crochet like this, then you chain 3 back into your first chain that you made. Okay, so that this way our loop is the first chain that we made. You make a single crochet. Okay, so you get a bump like something like this. You make a single crochet again, you chain 3 back to the first chain that you made, you make a single crochet. Let's do it again. So you make a single crochet, you chain 3 into the first stitch hole that you make, you make a single crochet again. Okay, so you just making some decorative bumps at the edges of our work. It's very easy to make. We're going to go throughout our work. So you chain 3, the first chain that you did, you make a single crochet before you come and do another single crochet again. Okay, so this was your thing at the edges of our work. Of course, you can use any design to make your edges to look much beautiful. So guys, at the end, this is what we have. Isn't this very simple and easy to make? Join me as I teach you how to make the top part of our work. So guys, until next time, I'll see you. Bye.